here's how we can factory reset your Google Pixel 10 without password. So if you forgot the password to your screen lock and you cannot unlock your phone, we can perform factory reset by going to recovery mode. So first we're gonna turn off our device, we're gonna press power button and volume up so that we can see the power menu, and press power off, of course. Let's wait for the phone to completely shut down, and once it is done, once it is off, you want to press and hold the power button and volume down button, and just press and hold both of these buttons until you see the fast boot mode. There we go. In this mode, we can use volume buttons in order to choose a different option over here. So look for recovery mode and confirm by pressing the power button. Afterwards, you should be able to see the no command screen. And when that happens, you want to press and hold the power button, and then while holding this button, press volume up, like this. And we are now in the Android recovery. Once again, navigate by using volume buttons, and we need to find the wipe data / factory reset option. Confirm your choice by pressing the power button, and then over here we need to go to factory data reset. Keep in mind that most likely you will have to sign into your Google account again once you are in the initial, in the first setup once again, just to confirm that, well, the original owner actually performed the factory reset. So just make sure that you remember your Google account password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.